Animals and fruits make our world colorful and exciting. Apples and bananas are tasty and healthy fruits that give us energy and keep us strong. Cats and dogs are loving pets that bring joy and companionship to many families. Elephants are giant, gentle creatures with amazing memories, while foxes are clever and quick animals that love to explore. Each one is special in its own way, making nature wonderful and full of surprises. Animals and fruits make apples are delicious and healthy fruits that come in many colors like red, green, and yellow. They are sweet, crunchy, and full of vitamins that help keep our bodies strong. Eating apples can make you feel energetic and keep your teeth clean. People use apples to make yummy treats like apple pie, applesauce, and juice. They grow on trees and orchards, and you can even pick them yourself. There's a saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, because apples are so good for you. Bananas are sweet, soft fruits that come in a bright yellow peel. They are full of energy and vitamins that help us grow strong and stay healthy. Bananas are easy to eat, just peel and enjoy. They are great for breakfast, snacks, or even in smoothies and desserts. Monkeys love bananas, and many people do too. They help keep our muscles strong and give us energy to play and learn. Cats are cute and fluffy animals that love to play and nap. They have soft fur, sharp claws, and whiskers that help them sense the world around them. Cats can jump high, run fast, and sometimes even chase mice. They purr when they are happy and love to be petted. Some cats like to cuddle, while others enjoy exploring. They make great pets and are fun to have at home. Cats are cute and fluffy and dogs are friendly and loving animals that make great pets. They come in different sizes, colors, and breeds. Dogs love to play, run, and go on walks. They are very loyal and can even protect their owners. Some dogs help people by guiding the blind or working with police. They wag their tails when they are happy and love to be petted. Dogs are great friends and bring lots of joy to families. Elephants are the biggest land animals in the world. They have long trunks, big ears, and strong tusks. Elephants use their trunks to drink water, pick up food, and even spray themselves to stay cool. They love to eat leaves, fruits, and grass. Elephants live in families and take care of each other. They are very smart and can remember things for a long time. These gentle giants are amazing creatures. Foxes are clever and quick animals with bushy tails and pointy ears. They come in different colors, like red, white, and gray. Foxes are very smart and good at finding food, even at night. They live in forests, fields, and sometimes even near people. Foxes can run fast and jump high. They make different sounds to talk to each other. These playful and curious animals are fun to learn about. Foxes are clever and quick animals with bushy tails and pointy ears.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe channel for next videos. Yay!